Mr. Monkey, Monkey Mechanic. Mr. Monkey, Monkey Mechanic was making his favorite snack, a banana and peanut butter sandwich, when all of a sudden, the garage bell rang. Mr. Monkey has a visitor. He loves having visitors. Who could it be? It's two visitors, Mr. Mouse and Mr. Pig. Hello, Mr. Mouse. Good to see you. Mr. Pig, how are things?
Well, Mr. Monkey, we're...
In a bit of a pickle. Gosh, I love pickles. They go so well with a nice cheese sandwich.
Yum. We have pickles at the house.
But you know we can't go back to our house.
What do you mean you can't go back to your house? You live there.
Well, all our friends are there.
Well, that doesn't sound like a bad thing. Why don't you want to see your friends?
Oh, it's not them. Here's the thing, Mr. Monkey. We absolutely love making food.
And we love having our friends over to eat our food. But now, we've made so much food and had so many friends over that our house is a mess. It's a pigsty!
It's absolutely a pigsty. And I should know. I'm a pig.
And if there's one thing we don't like...
It's a mess. So, we thought you might have some ideas about how to help us share our love of food with our friends, but without making such an awful mess.
I could recommend a good carpet cleaner. Or maybe... Let me see. Mr. Monkey checks the van. He checks the steering wheel. He checks the back of the van. He checks the windows. Stay right there. I have an idea. Mr. Monkey heads off to his workbench. Let's see. Mr. Pig and Mr. Mouse love making food for their friends at their house. But they don't love the mess their house becomes after their friends come over and eat the food. How can Mr. Pig and Mr. Mouse continue to make delicious food for their friends, but without the messy house that comes with it? Instead of inviting their friends to their house to eat, they can take the food to them. Their house will stay perfectly clean, no messes to clean up. Mr. Monkey has an idea, but he's going to need some materials. Mr. Monkey needs 2 poles, a window curtain, lots of nuts and bolts, and of course, his trusty monkey wrench! Mr. Monkey gets to work. First, Mr. Monkey cuts a rectangle. Then, Mr. Monkey hangs the curtain. He secures it with 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. He raises the curtain. And now for the final touches. Mr. Monkey is done.
Wow, Mr. Monkey, you put a window in our van.
But how will that help us with our messy house?
Well, you love sharing food with all your friends, but you don't like the mess your friends leave in your house. So now, instead of your friends coming to your house for food, you can take the food to your friends. I've put a kitchen inside your van.
What an incredible idea! If we bring food to our friends, there's no mess to clean up in our house.
Thank you so much, Mr. Monkey. Let's go and share our love of food with all our friends.
Ready to roll. Bye, Mr. Monkey. Whee!
See you later.
There goes 2 satisfied customers. And with that, Mr. Monkey finishes making his sandwich. And a big mess. Uh-oh.